Welcome to STEM and Storytime. This professional development workshop shows simple tweaks to traditional read-aloud programs that incorporate critical thinking in the areas of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Led by informal education professionals, this workshop is designed to show that you do have the skills, the resources, and the time to incorporate STEM into your literacy routine.
Science concepts that are embedded in the book, but not all fiction books have those obvious science concepts. So, what you can use to start thinking about STEM is the problem that's in that story. Because ultimately, anybody that's a STEM professional is trying to solve problems. And that's what we want to try to help little kids understand is that STEM professionals are problem solvers and they can be problem solvers too.
Learn engagement strategies for both in-person and virtual instruction.
From driving the bus. So from this central problem, the pigeon wants to drive the bus, we can extrapolate all kinds of different activities. And it can be something that we build together as we blueprint it on our Zoom tools. It can be something that you have people blueprint at home. Can you draw a picture of how the pigeon would drive the bus? Can you draw a picture how to stop the pigeon from driving the bus? Can you build something with these materials at home?
And spend practice time in facilitated small groups finding STEM connections to any fiction book on your shelf. Contact the Early Childhood Working Group of the STEM ecosystem to learn more.